Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by signing into both developer consoles. You need active Apple Game Center and Google Play developer accounts. You should locate your apps bundle ID and Google Play package name now, because these identifiers link services. Enable two-factor authentication and verify you have owner or admin access. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, create or open the same game project in your engine or backend. Make sure to back up current settings before changing authentication or linking keys. Next, you generate credentials. Create an OAuth 2, 0 client ID and a service account in Google Cloud. Download the JSON key and note the client ID and secret. In parallel, enable Game Center in your Apple App ID and set entitlements plus leaderboards or achievements. Then, in your game backend or engine settings, enter Google JSON key and Apple Team ID. This securely maps player identities between platforms. Make sure to test with sandbox accounts before publishing changes to production. Finish by validating sign-ins. Use test accounts on iOS and Android to confirm Game Center and Google Play logins return consistent player ID. Verify backend token exchange and make sure leaderboards and achievements sync across platforms. If you encounter mismatched ID or permission denies, inspect logs for expired tokens, incorrect bundle or package names, and missing scopes. Once you identify the cause, rotate the service key or reissue OAuth credentials, then retest. A final full.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.